We are pleased to show you the 2008 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.